Okay, let's have a go at solving the questions on the practice paper. In this first one, we need to look at the factors of 26, which is 1 times 26, and 2 times 13. We need a sum equal to 15, so we've got x plus 2, x plus 13. And the second one, we need to look at the factors of 16, 1 times 16, 2 times 8, 4 times 4. We need a sum that's equal to 8, so we get x minus 4, x minus 4. We need to fully factor this, so it's x minus 4 squared. Solve the equation. Let's rearrange into x squared plus a equals a. That gives us x squared is equal to 7. Take square roots of both sides, we get plus and minus root 7, which can't be simplified. This gives us x1 is equal to minus 7, x2 is equal to 7. Sorry, root 7. Solve the equation again. It's probably easiest if we just factorize it. Factoring out the x, we get x minus 5 is equal to 0. x1 is equal to 0. x2 is equal to 5. For it, we have to solve by factoring, so we need to find the factors that have a difference of -1. We've got 1 times 6, 2 times 3. This is negative here, so the bigger one has to be negative. It's going to look like this. And we can see that this factor pair is going to have a sum of -1. So we get x plus 2, x minus 3 is equal to 0, and x1 is equal to -2, x2 is equal to 3. Next question, we have to rearrange firstly into standard form. So we get x squared minus 2x minus 35 is equal to 0. We need a factor pair for 35 with a difference of 2. So obviously it's not going to be 1 times 35, but 5 times 7. The bigger number is going to be negative, so it's going to be this factor pair here. That gives us bracket x plus 5, x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x1 is equal to -5, x2 is equal to 7. So here we have a graph, and we have to find the function in this form. We can see the roots here and here. So -1 and -4. So this is going to be f of x bracket x plus 4, x minus plus 1. We're told there's no a value in the question here. It's an easy one. We have to solve the equation. So in this case, it doesn't specify the method of solution, so I'm going to choose to do it using the graphing calculator. I've got a equal to 2, b equal to 5, c equal to -12. So menu 3, 3, 1. We've got 2, 5, minus 12. So x is equal to -4, x is equal to 3 over 2. Solve the equation, no method specified. I'm going to use the graphing calculator again, but first I have to rearrange into standard form, which is going to give me x squared plus 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to negative 3. Use the quadratic formula on this one if you want. Menu 3, 3, 1. 1, tab, 2, tab, negative 12. Enter, enter, enter. So here we get two numbers. So x1 is equal to negative 1 plus root 13, and x2 is equal to negative 1 minus root 13. You can give a decimal answer on that one by pressing Control Enter. So this one is equal to 2.61, and this one is approximately equal to negative 4.61. Solve the equation. Let's rearrange. Just minus 25, x squared is equal to minus 12.5. And we see here that we've got a square root of a negative number when you want to solve this one. So at that point, I can just say no real solutions. The area of a room is 20 square meters. The length is x plus 3. The width is x plus 4. So the area is equal to length times width. So 20 is equal to x plus 3, x plus 2. Expand the bracket. I'm going to get x squared plus 6x. No, it's plus 5x. Sorry. X squared plus 5x plus 6 minus 20. So plus 6. Let's take the 20 across. X squared plus 5x minus 14. I can see a factorization of that fairly quickly. So I'll go to the factorization. I've got x plus 7, x minus 2. This gives me x1 is equal to negative 7, and x2 is equal to 2. Now, here on this one, I'm going to discard this solution because length must be positive. And minus 7 plus 2 or plus 3 is not going to give positive numbers. So let's not finish the question. We're asked to find the length and the width. The length is going to be equal to 2 plus 3. The width is going to be equal to 2 plus 2. And back to the units. 4 and 5 units. We have to find it including the A form this time. So firstly, we're going to have f of x is equal to a bracket x plus 2. So we have this root here. And x minus 3 because we have this root here. Next, we're going to insert 0, comma minus 3 for x and y. This gives us minus 3 is equal to a bracket 2 bracket negative 3. Solve this equation if I want. I've got minus 6a is equal to minus 3. A is equal to minus 3 divided by minus 6, which is a half. Final answer, make sure you include the function notation f of x equals a half bracket x plus 2 x minus 3. For the equation, find the determinant's value. All right, so let's rearrange the equation into standard form. And then we see that A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to 9. The discriminant is equal to B squared minus 4AC, which is equal to 9 minus 4, bracket 1, bracket 9, which is equal to 9 minus 36, which is equal to minus 27. State how many real solutions this has. Well, the discriminant is less than 0, which implies no real solutions. Find the value of n such that the equation has no real solutions. So first off, let's rearrange the equation into standard form. 3x squared minus 6x, take care with that one, plus n equals 0. A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 6, C is equal to n. No real solutions implies that the discriminant is less than 0, which implies that b squared, 36, minus 4 times a times c is less than 0. This gives us 36 minus 12n is less than 0. 36 is less than 12n. 3 is less than n. So n is bigger than 3. So two consecutive numbers differ by 6. So the numbers are x and y, where y is equal to x plus 6. They have to differ by 6. So find the two numbers. X times y is equal to 112. So x bracket x plus 6 is equal to 112. X squared plus 6x minus 12, so 112 is equal to 0. I can factor this, but why? I can do it on the calculator. A equals 1, B equals 6, C equals minus 112. Pull up my calculator. New 331. We want 1 tab 6 tab minus 112. We get two solutions, but remember, these two solutions are solutions for x, not x and y. So x is equal to minus 14. That would give y is equal to minus 14 plus 6 equals negative 8. Or our second set of solutions is when x equals 8, y2 is equal to 8 plus 6, which is equal to 14. And then we get two sets of solutions on this one. We can put it up using set notation if you want. We've got minus 14 and minus 8, or we've got 8 and 14. Okay, that's it. Easy.